Dancing has a profound impact on my life because I started dancing when I was 6 years old, and I enjoy performing dancing. Learning dancing not only teaches me how to be persistent in achieving my goals, but teaches me how to take partners' advice to overcome the difficulties as well. In my opinion, dancing and writing have a lot of things in common. Both of them challenge me to devote efforts as much as possible and require that I should absorb other suggestions to improve my assignments. Throughout the whole semester, with my efforts and the help of the feedback from the teacher and peers, I've made a big progress in analyzing and writing. Now, I'm not only good at setting a solid and well-involved thesis, but also good at finding out detailed evidence to support my thesis. The first exhibit in my portfolio is my paper 1 called Show More Confidence. In the first essay, I analyzed and candid a picture from a reality show called Bachelor Pad. In the picture, even though the girls who wear almost the same bikini, their body language and facial experience differ from each other. A girl who behaves more confidently is more likely to win the physical competition and find true love through the show. This exhibit fits my portfolio theme, dancing well. First of all, the thesis of the first essay can also be applied to dancing. The more confidently I behave, the more emotions I can deliver to the audience during my performance. As a result, I'm supposed to show my confidence as much as possible so that the audience are able to feel the emotion I want to convey through my movements. During dancing, by aiming to perform each action gorgeously, I'm supposed to master the techniques necessary for every single moment, even if it's just a simple leap. Similarly, in order to write a convincing essay, there must be sufficient evidence that can support my thesis. At first, I was not able to find the evidence by just seeing a picture. However, after learning 10-on-1 notice skill, I could observe the picture from different perspectives. As a result, I found out adequate detailed evidence, even though some other writers could easily ignore some of them. The next exhibit I want to show in my portfolio is my revised second essay that is called Choose Money or Love. In the essay, I chose to analyze one episode from the reality show Bachelor Pad. During the process of writing this article, I improved my skills of writing transition sentences. At the beginning, I couldn't make paragraphs transfer smoothly, but I was inspired by peer reviews and adjusted the narrating order into course and result. So finally, the whole article became coherent and logical. Just like in one piece of dancing, there must be several transition moments, which can make the separate pieces of dance also combine into one flowing progression. As for dancing, in order to perform perfectly on the stage, I usually practice single movement up to hundreds of times. Self-revision also requires me to edit my article over and over again. Self-debugging plays an important role in showing how I've developed my strengths and overcome my weakness. So, the following exhibit will review the extent to which I've revised my first article. In my first draft, I just wrote out a simple thesis. However, in the second stage, I added the summary of important evidence and established my evolved thesis. In this way, readers will understand my interpretation of the piece more easily and can get a new appreciation for the article. Even though I've changed a lot in my conclusive paragraph, it's still not perfect. So finally, I switched the order of the evidence summary and the evolved thesis to let the readers follow my logical reasoning better. During dancing, my partners and I can apply our strengths and advantages to point out each other's weakness and help each other to improve. In the writing class, peer review is a helpful way to edit essay because sometimes we need more objective opinions to enhance the weakness in our articles. Not only do the classmates' advice help me polish my essay, but also their encouragements gave me the confidence needed to overcome tribulations I come across. Since writing and dancing have much in common, I'm able to use my dancing experience to better my writing skills. In the word card, I will perform a piece of dancing with a Chinese song at the background called Wu Mian. I hope people who watch my video can appreciate my dance.